Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this MingSung digital voice recorder. The listing says multifunctional audio digital recording device with PPT, clicker, business, writing, USB flash disk, with lecture, interview, meeting, student, classes. It's listed for around $39 on Amazon. That's pretty good review, so I thought I'd give it a try and show you everything. And I'm even doing a voice sample, which is pretty important, of course, to you to know how good this microphone really is. I'm going to show you the laser and almost everything. So here's the box. Yeah, nice small box, but the pen is definitely not small. That's the pen. When we compare this to a normal pen, I mean, this is already a large one, I would say. There are smaller ones, and you can see it's pretty thick and it's pretty long. So I mean, you can use it as a pen, but everybody will already see that that's not a normal pen, that this is something special. I mean, if you want to record something and think nobody will detect that, I mean, first thing, just make sure that you are not doing something which is against the laws. Whenever you are recording voice or video and people don't know, maybe it could be not legal. So apart from that, I mean, you can use it for yourself and just use it as a voice recorder for yourself, of course. Here is what you can do. I mean, here is, you have to rotate this and then you can use it as a normal pen. You can see that, I would say. Quality is not bad. I mean, it's not the most expensive one, but I would say the writing is nice and clear. And the good thing, it comes with 6 replacement pen, I mean the inside, and you can just use this screwdriver that comes with the packaging. You can screw the thing out and take then a new one when it's empty, put it back and secure this. This is pretty easy. That's the only thing here on this level, but we have another opening too. We have here on the top the USB. After recording, you can add this or plug it into a USB outlet and then open the file explorer and check the WAV files, and then you can just play it or copy it or upload whatever you want to do. The files are pretty small, so there's good level of compression. So I would say regarding the size of the audio per minute, it's about only half a megabyte, and there are, as far as I know, there are 8 gigabytes inside. Yeah, I've just double checked the size, and it says on my Windows 10 Pro, it says 7.48 or 7.49, something like that, gigabytes free. So if you do the calculation, if I'm not wrong, you could record like continuously for more than 1 week till the space is full here. But of course the battery would be low before that, but you can see there's a lot of space here. You don't have to be worried that you cannot record like a full day or so. I'm not aware of the battery runtime, but I'm not expecting that it's a short run time. The battery is pretty large and you can also charge it pretty fast. I've been checking and it has been charging with 0.4 amps, which is pretty fast for such a small device. So I'm closing this again. By the way, here at the end you have some kind of stylus which you can use for a tablet or use on your phone's screen if you need that. Then you have these buttons here. That's the on-off button. You have to just push very short to turn on, to turn off. It's a long press here, about for 5 seconds or so, and then it's off. So when you want to record something, you just short press here, and then it goes into this green blinking light where it's not doing anything. and then you have to hold for about 3 seconds, and then it goes into blue, steady blue. While it's steady blue, it's recording, so it should stay on steady blue. Once I had the problem that the steady blue went away, I don't know, so I had to restart it again, but usually it works pretty reliable. So it's not something which is totally undetected. I mean, you can turn it upside down, then nobody will see it, but the microphone is also on this side. It's very close to the blue LED. Now you can see there's no blue LED anymore. Probably it had stopped here recording, so I better start it again with long press. Sometimes it's a little bit weird, but usually it's working. Now you can see we have the steady blue light again, and I guess that's a recording. I mean, at least I have been able to record like this, and when you want to stop this thing, you have to long press again. Sometimes it's a little bit weird. You have to really check on the blue light. I think when you don't have the blue light, it's not recording, and then you can just put it into your computer and see what's on here. And the quality is not bad. I mean, it's not perfect. There is some kind of background noise noticeable, and I'm going to play that, what I've been recording before, so you can listen to that now. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. Audio test 1 2 3 4 5. So I hope you have been able to hear that. It's not bad. You can definitely understand that. It's not super sensitive, it's not high quality, but you can definitely use that. What we also have here, when you turn it on and you have the green blinking light, that actually means that it's available for pairing, connecting through your computer. I mean, if it's not possible, then just long press for 5 seconds and then it will reset the pairing thing. Sometimes this can be needed after you have been pairing already to another computer. When you want to pair to a new computer, just hold for 5 seconds till it is reset, and then you can find it on your computer. You can find the pen or stylo pen on the Bluetooth devices you can connect. And what you can do then with these two buttons, when you are showing or presenting a PowerPoint, you can use that to go forward and back many times. I mean, it's as long as you are connected, you can go always back and forth between slides on your computer. I've been using that and it works pretty good. So that's also something. And we have this laser light here, which is on top. Can see that here. Don't point this into your eyes, it can be really harmful. You can see that when we push here, we have this laser light. It's pretty strong. It's definitely something which you shouldn't just play around. Don't give it to children, just be really careful. Can see that here, it's pretty strong. I mean, it's not ultra strong, it's not one of the strongest laser lights, but it's definitely suitable for presentation. I turn the camera up a little bit. I'll point this to the wall so you can see we have this really nice laser light here. So overall, I think it's the most versatile pen or recording pen, laser pen, PowerPoint pen which I've ever seen. You can really do everything. I think there is nothing which you cannot do, which is usually intended to have with such presentation pens. And yeah, I'm going to show you pretty quickly also the instructions manual. Maybe it can be useful. I'm going to show this all the time to give you the chance to make a better buy decision, or if you bought used or you just lost the instructions. So that's everything, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.